guys, welcome back to your channel. It's me, Wrenie Bird here, and this is kind of weird, but today I'm going to be telling you my favorite videos that I've made. So one of my favorite videos that I have made is probably hoverboard time. Basically all it is just me riding my hoverboard back and forth, speedy motion with some music, but I think it's pretty cool. Another one I did that I really liked was me lip singing. That one got a lot of likes and a lot of views, and I just posted it like 2 weeks ago. But surprise, surprise, the person that I was lip singing from was my cousin. So if you were wondering. So I don't know. I also like the video. What was your favorite?
Not the one where I got hurt.
Yeah, I liked that one.
What about 3 snaps in a Z formation when I hit you in the face?
No! So, the two we're talking about.
I like some of the older ones when you were a little baby. Cute little Wrenie Bird.
The two ones we were talking about were, this one where I was trying to teach Mama Bird how to do 3 snaps in a Z formation. It goes like this: 3 snaps in a Z formation. And she smacked me in the face on accident. The other one, now this one is funny, I think. Mama Bird, not so much. Mama Bird was trying to teach me the static jump, and I was taping it so that I could learn it. And guess what she did? She accidentally hit her head on the chandelier. It was so funny. But, it was just like, I have so many good videos, and it's hard to pick. I like another one where, Mama Bird, well, I don't really like this one, but somehow Mama Bird got stuck in my room because of the Game Master. That one was crazy. And I like the ones where I make slime. But if I had to pick one, I would probably pick the one where I got Jamie. He's so cute. And he's just cute. He was a puppy though. And have you seen Jamie's new haircut? It's awful. It's so bad. He's not even fluffy anymore. The groomer shaved, almost shaved his nose, and his nose is pink. And there's just a little bit of fur. They shaved his eyebrows and his eyelashes. He doesn't have any more. It's so, so sad. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.